It's episode 6! Welcome back everyone to my little technical mini-series. In this episode, I'm going to be covering how I created the fiery titles for my trailer. So, without further ado, let's crack on. Okay, so I firstly created a new composition, then within the composition I created a text layer, and proceeded to either type the name of actors or, in this case, it was the film title, The Abyss. After that, I created a new black solid, and on this layer I just right-clicked, went to Effect, Video Copilot and selected Saber. Now this is a free third-party plugin which I downloaded from this link shown on the screen. Now within the Saber effect I changed a few settings, and under Customize Core I changed the core type to the text layer and then the source to the Abyss layer. I then changed a few of the preset settings to get the look I wanted, and after that, to make the text appear to write itself, I went to the beginning of the composition, made the start offset 100%, to then make a keyframe. At the end of the composition, I then made the start offset 0, making another keyframe. I rendered only the alpha channel, giving it a transparent background, and imported it into Premiere. When in Premiere, I changed the size and position of the video, and then used keyframes to make the titles grow in size, giving it a more dynamic look. I experimented with different titles and different ways of animating these titles, but overall, this was the final result.